Hello and welcome to Crypto Signaler. This is the tutorial in which we will explain how you can install Crypto Signaler on your TradingView account. First things first, you need to have a free account on TradingView. After signing up, you can select the desired package from the Crypto Signaler website. Once you follow the steps for your package, you will get access to the invite-only indicators as shown. The final step is to go back to TradingView. Go to your favorites and click the indicators that are present there. Now the indicators will be present in your TradingView. You can make some changes to your indicators if you like. If you hover over the name of the indicator as shown, you can click on the settings icon. In here you can make some changes to the layout or input. If you prefer another overview you can select that here. By clicking on the bell icon as shown, you can trigger alerts on your TradingView account. For this video we will make an alert for a strong buy signal, but you can use any signal you want. Now your TradingView account is all set and you can start trading. Good luck on your trading adventure and don't forget to purchase the indicator package on CryptoSignaler.com.